Hello guys, Teacher Grace here. Pag-usapan natin yung bagong trimester or your three-term system. So, anong pinagkaiba kesa sa old one? And ano naman yung effect sa teachers and sa students? Never mind that one, salon pass is life. So, sa old system natin, we have 4 quarters. Then, straight yung lessons natin. After nung first quarter, continue tayo dun sa second quarter. Tapos yung break natin, usually, mga this month, mga April. Yun yung long vacation natin. The result will be burden of work, tapos sabay-sabay na yung mga workloads kasi hindi pa tayo tapos dun sa assessment natin dun sa first quarter. We are already starting with the second quarter. Tapos ayun na, malalaman natin na sa first quarter medyo may mga mahinang students. Tapos late na kasi hindi na natin ma-intervene because we need to start with our second quarter. But with the new tri-semester, it's already 3 shorter terms. Hindi na siya 4. And we are promised that there will be breaks in between the semester. So the assessments will be given advantage, may time. Tapos, after ng assessment, pwede na natin bigyan ng interventions yung mga struggling students. And it will help us transition with a little bit break from the first semester to the second semester compared nung 4 quarters na first quarter tapos start ka agad ng second quarter. So the aim of the government would be this will be less cramming tapos focus on the term at nagbibigyan natin ng support agad yung mga struggling learners. Yes, of course, there will be a lot of adjustments with the forms, with the scheduling. Let us be real, hindi naman perfect talaga yung system. And this change causes a lot of discomfort to all of us. And mga what ifs. Pero guys, as I study a lot on this new system, I think that it is approved for the teachers. And the benefits that it want to give us is actually good. It has really good intentions. And hopefully it will work out. It will really give us more balance and less exhausting workloads. But then again, the main difference is not the schedule. It's more on the experience of teaching and learning and how we handle ourselves. So this system was made to support us. Therefore, I also want to extend my gratitude to the thought behind the change. And hopefully, since na-approve to din naman, let us just up with the change and look forward to it with a positive thinking. See you in the next video.